Saving money on groceries is crucial for seniors on fixed incomes, especially with rising food costs. Fortunately, several strategies can help reduce expenses without compromising nutrition or quality of life. These include making a shopping list, using coupons, buying generic products, purchasing in bulk, shopping at discount stores, joining loyalty programs, buying seasonal produce, cooking at home, sharing bulk purchases, and exploring Medicare Advantage plans that include the Medicare Grocery Allowance. By combining these smart shopping techniques with the Medicare Grocery Allowance, you can significantly lower your grocery bills and improve your financial stability. With a little planning and creativity, you can enjoy healthy, delicious meals while keeping your grocery budget in check and managing your fixed income more effectively. For more information about Medicare, please speak with a Senior Healthcare Solutions Medicare expert today at 866-633-4427. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Medicare videos.